Jim, you talked about, and Jack echoed the sentiments, you talked about the necessity of, on a more frequent basis than not, really looking at the value drivers. What is the resistance? What is the pushback from the clients, the business owners, to really sit down and take that to heart and focus on making that a part of their ritual? What keeps them from doing that?
I mean, sadly, I think it's economic. They don't want to pay the fees to work with a professional. They say, I'm not ready to sell. And we're trying to make a case here that, you know, these are steps that you can take today to make the company more valuable to you as the owner.
Profitability today.
It doesn't necessarily have to be, you know, this conversation isn't necessarily about preparing your company for sale to a third party. You may sell to your employees. And for a lot of Colorado companies, that will be their exit strategy. So paying attention to those nuts and bolts, you know, will help a lot in, you know, creating. And I guess the nuts and bolts I want to dig in on a little bit is creating, you know, that team that if they're not going to be so attractive to to a third party that the third party will buy you, that they will be your buyer. That is your exit. I mean, that's how law firms function, Ed. You know, we have to bring in associates that will eventually buy us out.